slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Wanna play tough and wanna hate this. Although
Electronics
sure,
for all.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Be warning. This video for scientific only. Be careful if you try to do it at home. Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about an amazing circuit. This circuit allows a motor to reverse the direction of rotation very easily just by pressing one key. You think it is not easy. But let me show you the circuit. As you see in the diagram, we use a few components. Relay with 8 pin. Working with 6 volt or 12 volt or as your required voltage. 2 pieces of SPST toggle switch. SPDT switch is a switch that only has a single input and can connect to and switch between the two outputs. It can serve as an on-off switch, depending on how the circuit is wired. Or it can serve to connect circuits to any two various paths that a circuit may need to function in. One of the switches is used to change the direction, SW1. And the other one to turn the motor on or off, SW2. And we will use also 2 pieces of diode type 1 and 4001. D1 using as flyback in parallel to the relay inductance coil to prevent huge voltage spikes from arising when the power is disconnected. And D2 used to prevent back voltage. And transistor, Q1. Type BC548. Resistance R1 is 33 kilo ohms. Resistance R2 is 10 kilo ohms. That is all. Now you can see how it working very easy. It is a simple circuit with a few easy to implement components for any application you need. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get new video updates. See all of you in a new video tutorial soon. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.